Welcome to this BSI guidance video on what is a corrective action plan. In this session, we will cover defining a corrective action plan, the makeup of the correction and corrective parts. Finally, root cause analysis and viewing an example, strong versus weak plan. Corrective action plans contain three elements. Firstly, correction actions to address the initial problem. Next, identifying the underlying root cause reason. Finally, corrective actions to prevent it happening again. Let's take a look at a real-world nonconformity and where the corrective action plan fits in. Facilities have found water stain marks on the walls and ceiling of the main reception area of the building. The first three actions are quick containment steps. Clear up the mess. Catch further leaks. Turn off nearby lights. The fourth of a full-scale repair will take time. That's okay, though. Next, the root cause. Why was water coming through the ceiling and walls? Using the 5 Why approach, we are able to get to the true root cause reason, namely, no safety review was put in place since the new roof was implemented. Remember, there is nothing magical about 5 Why. It keeps you on track to find the underlying cause. Just remember to stop asking questions when the causes become abstract, beyond your control or unrelated. In our example, we used the 5 Why method to identify the root cause. Depending on the process and risk level, another method may be more appropriate for this. These include A. Brainstorming, B. Fishbone, C. Plan, do, check, act, or D. Failure mode and effects analysis. For additional guidance on these other root cause methods, check out the accompany document to this video. With the root cause understood, now the team can focus on the corrective actions to prevent the leak from happening again. From conducting a safety review to training staff, to implementing better access controls and logging. All are achievable, affordable, and within a specified time frame. The SMART principle working well. Finally, let's sum up what we have learned by looking at what makes a strong plan versus a weak one. The strong approach includes root cause reasons, actions, responsibilities, measurable success, and clear timelines. On the other hand, the weak approach is vague, unrealistic, and lacks ownership and documentation. Remember, a strong plan prevents recurrence, solving the problem at the source, whilst a weak one leaves the organization vulnerable. Thanks for watching. Check out our other guidance videos on your continual improvement journey.